Hello everyone. Okay, thanks for joining with me. Okay, for today's English for Communication Form 2. Okay, special education. So for today's it's like a more to video tutorial for you to answer these questions based on the dialogue. So we are looking at this Malaysian cultural show. Okay, the title for this listening and speaking is Malaysian cultural show. Okay, you need to listen to the dialogue, then proceed with the questions. Okay, so I'm going to read out to you, and I hope you can pay attention to this dialogue. Okay, please listen carefully. Hey, take a look at the tentative program. There will be many types of traditional dances today. I'm eager to watch all the dances. Me too. So this is the dialogue for this listening and speaking activity. So I'm going to guide you to look at this tentative program, okay, Malaysian cultural show. So Malaysian cultural show, okay, as I explained to you in the meaning in Bahasa Melayu means persembahan kebudayaan Malaysia. Okay, persembahan kebudayaan Malaysia. So show is persembahan, cultural is kebudayaan. So Malaysian, so ialah Malaysia. So di sini, okay, we can look at this tentative program. Okay, 8 a.m. is the grand opening. Okay, 8:30 opening speech. Okay, 9 a.m. Zapin dance, 9:30 a.m. lion dance, 10 a.m. break, okay, 10:30 a.m. Baratayanam dance, 11 a.m. ngajat dance, 11:30 a.m. Sumazau dance, 12 p.m. speech by the organizer, and 12:30 p.m. closing ceremony. So I want you to look at this glossary here. Okay, what's the meaning for this word? Program is a planned series of future events or performances. Okay, program, okay, as you can see, ialah program. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu ialah program. Okay, so apa yang dimasukkan dengan program? Okay, sesuatu yang telah dirancang. Okay, event maksudnya acara ataupun persembahan yang telah dirancang pada masa akan datang. Okay. Moral value di sini ialah nilai murni yang kita dapat lihat di sini ialah respect all cultures and traditions. Maksudnya nilai murni yang kita pelajari di sini ialah supaya kita menghormati kebudayaan, semua kebudayaan dan tradisi. So you can see this cultural show, okay, is about performing. Okay, all the dances means tarian, so you can see all these dances here. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, this is like a Malay dance, Indian dance, okay, Sumazau dance. And I hope, okay, with this explanation you are able to answer the next question. Okay, based on the dialogue just now let us look at the questions. Question number 1, what time is the grand opening? Okay, what time is the grand opening? Okay, question number 2, name 3 dancers that they will watch at the show. Okay, name 3 dancers that they will watch at the show. Okay, question number 3, what time is the closing ceremony? So all these questions you can find the answers based on the dialogue just now and based on the activity just now. Okay, you can find the answer as you can see through the tentative program for the Malaysian cultural show. Okay, we are moving to the next exercise. Okay, in this exercise, you need to fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Okay, so this is number 1. Okay, fill in the missing letters here. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Actually, for this exercise, you can find the answers based on the previous explanation just now, okay, based on the notes and pictures given to you. Okay, finally, the third exercise. Okay, you need to write the plural for the word. Okay, as you have learned when you were in Form 1, okay, you have learned about singular and plural. So I've given you the example for dance. So the plural here is dances. Okay, so for this tentative performance and program, okay, you need to write the answer here. Okay, so I hope you are able to complete these exercises based on this video tutorial, and I hope to see you again. Okay, thank you for your support and thank you for watching this video.